Hey friends, this is a lesson on number order, numbers 1 through 5. All right, so I'm going to drag the numbers into the correct order. All right, so when we count, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we keep going. So what's the number that we hear first? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Which one did I say first? 1. So 1 goes first. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one comes after 1? 1, 2. All right, what comes next? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one did I say next? 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. All right, so let's go to the next slide. Let's go to the next slide. We're going to start with the number 2. 1, 2. All right, what comes after 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one's the number 3? Right here. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one's the number 4. And then 5. Good. So we did number order to number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bye, guys.